Does your driveway slope towards your house? Well, then this video is for you. If you don't have any drainage system in front of your garage, it's highly likely that during some significant rainfalls, that water is going to probably make its way into your house. Hi guys, I'm Jake with Mechanical Flood Protection. I'm a licensed plumber. I've been in the industry for 21 years, and we specialize in our plumbing company into basement flood protection. So, your driveway slopes towards your house. What do you do? Most driveways that slope towards the house have a drain in place that goes into the storm sewer or to a dry well on the property. Most of these drains are ignored and not maintained properly. So the first thing you gotta do is check and see if that drain works. If it's not raining, take a garden hose, add some water to that drain, see if it flows away properly. If it backs up, it may need to be cleaned. Maintenance is key here, just making sure that the drain is clear of any leaves or sand or any buildup of ice. That'll prevent a major flood in your home because the water can easily flow into that drain. But what if you don't have any drain at all? What if the water has nowhere to go when it reaches the low point of the driveway at your house? Let me tell you about a homeowner we helped just last year. This person bought a home in the summer, and when we had our first heavy fall rain, the water was coming down the driveway and he was shocked to find that his garage was completely flooded out. So when we got to the site, here's what we found. Like I mentioned, the driveway was sloping towards the garage, but also the neighbors' houses and their yards were sloping towards his driveway as well. To make matters worse, the backyard was higher grade than the front yard was, so there was no option for any gravity drainage. Since we had no gravity drainage options, our solution was to install a trough-style drain across the entire garage door on the inside to collect any water that would flood past the door, and then it would be piped to a sump system and then pumped out to a low-lying area further in the backyard. Typically, we would install this kind of drain on the outside of the garage to prevent any water from even passing through the garage door. But because we live in a cold climate and we have a lot of snow and ice buildup, and this house is going to be rented out to tenants, the homeowner was concerned that maintenance like ice chipping and keeping that drain clear would go ignored. And since the man door to the basement is inside this garage, we couldn't risk the water coming in and causing a flood. The installation was quick, but more importantly, the results were amazing. After a year, multiple storms, the system held strong. After one particularly bad downpour, the homeowner reached out to us and said that drain kicked ass last night. We did our annual maintenance on the system recently, and we discovered a little bit of sand, but less than you'd expect for a driveway drain. If you don't have any drainage system in front of your garage, it's highly likely that during some significant rainfalls, that water is going to probably make its way into your house. If you have the option, a gravity drain is always going to be the best solution for a driveway drain. But if you don't, a sump pump will do the job if it's properly installed. I'm Jake with Mechanical Flood Protection. Stay dry.